Welcome to Mto Online. Today's tutorial we are going to learn about shortcuts. You know, so many people use computers, but they don't know shortcut ways of getting different signs, different functions. I would love to teach you about different functions and their shortcuts. What can you do to avoid to reduce on the time you take while doing something? In this video, I have brought for you something very unique, but which usually people undermine. We are going to look at how can you draw a scissor on your computer using Microsoft Word. How can you get that scissor picture without even looking for any download or anything while using a shortcut? I know many of you didn't know the shortcut. Kindly watch it and you master it. You'll thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you're really learning from my videos. Now we are going to start. If you want to get a scissor in your texts while using shortcuts, you need to press 2704. That is the code if you want to access a scissor. After pressing that code, you'll press Alt then X. I repeat, it is 2704 Alt X. Now, there are different kinds of scissors. Someone might say, I don't want that kind of scissor. There is also another one. You can also do 2702. Then you press Alt X. That is also another form of a scissor. Without even looking for a picture or downloading it from the web, the internet, you just need to use these shortcuts to master the things. Then someone may want a scissor that is halfway. What is the code for that? You'll just press 2703. Then you press Alt. It will give you a scissor which is halfway upwards. Now, what if we want a scissor upward down, like halfway downwards? We shall just press 2701. Then we press Alt on Alt X. So let me write for you here. The first one we did 2704. Then we press Alt. Then we added. You press Alt and you don't leave your hand. Your hand must stay there. You long press. In fact, long press. Let us say long press. Long press Alt and X to get. What are we getting? 2704 Alt X to get that. Then you will do the same thing. You just change the first code. This one will become 2 if you want to get the dark scissor. It will be 2702 Alt X. Are we learning, guys? If you're learning, write in the comment section a symbol you would love to know about. We shall bring that video about that symbol. Remember, you are on Mto Online. Kindly like our videos and share these videos to your friends for computer lessons. I know this goes even to the working class. If you're in an office and you need your boss to really appreciate the work you do, you need to use these signs. Secretaries, these are the things you need to add in your work to look nice. Shortcuts, doing work in a few minutes, but the work is nice. You need to learn this. Let me give you the code for the other halfway x. It will be 2701 long press alt plus x to get 2701 alt plus x to get halfway down. It is the same way to 2403 2703 alt x to get that. So in simple terms, those are our shortcuts if you want to get a scissor in your work. You might be typing something and you would love to use those illustrations to bring out something very clear. Those are the shortcuts. I'm going to be bringing you different computer shortcuts that you can use while using Microsoft Word. Whichever version you're using, be it 2007, 2008, 2010, 2011, 2016, 2019, even the current ones. Any Microsoft Word you're using, we are going to be updating you on different shortcuts that can help you to simplify your work in a very organized manner and nice looking one. Just keep following us. Like this video, please. Kindly like the video. Share this video to your friends, to your students, your fellow students, your teachers as well. Even your workmates. You can have a friend who doesn't know the things. We are going to be teaching you computer online. Basically focusing on shortcuts because computer is very wide. You cannot learn it all. But however, you should learn an application you feel like you use on a daily basis. You should be well covered with it. So for me, I've decided to bring you different shortcuts. In my next video, I'm going to bring shortcuts on calling logs. You want to design a letterhead, but you're putting contact, tail, over you're getting me. Instead of putting contact 070 into your telephone number 070, you just need to put an icon of a call log and you say a call log, then 070. That will be in my next video. Just follow me. In my next coming video, I'm going to be explaining how you can insert a call log in your document and it looks nice and professional, or how to do it in a simple way. Kind like a video. I stay Moto Online. Thank you for watching. We love you.